Hi, Cassie. Thank you for speaking with me today. My name is Mary with the Principal Marketing Firm. I am the CEO and co-founder. And in this video today, I want to show you 3 things you can do to help bring in more customers to your business. Although the answer to your questions is probably like, why am I sitting here right now? And why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? And I fully understand. But most of the time in a busy world, um, you're too busy to be running your own business on the internet, right? Right now your main focus is getting people into their dream homes, getting them settled down, and I definitely understand that. And I want to let you know how the internet can benefit you and your company. I know that you have advertisements. I've done some research on you. I'm not naive to what you guys know, and I do know that you guys know a lot about digital marketing. And sometimes you don't know who is the person to contact for this, who is or isn't an expert. I want to make sure that I give you these 3 topics very fast, but also authentically to show you that I do know what I'm talking about, but also let's get you ranked higher without doing or spending more money on what you're already spending for advertisements. So let's just jump into it. The first thing that we have is content. We know that on your page, you have tons and tons of content on here, right? This is the wording that you have. You have over 4,000 words. Your competitors, they don't have nearly as much words. But the difference between the two of you is here. We use this site called Ahrefs. When I Google real estate agents in Reno, Nevada, you do pop up for advertisements. You also pop up in our citations as well for the Google Map Pack right here. But you don't get brought up on any of these pages right here. And this is an issue. You know, you want to make sure that we get this on here as soon as we possibly can. This is the keywords. So keywords for you are going to be organic, and you only have 181. Your competitors have 8.5K organic keywords. We can take their keywords and add them to your site so that way you're going to be #1 in Google's eyes. You're showing that authority. Now moving on to what I've already mentioned, which is the citations. We call this the Google Map Pack, which is this area right here. We know for the Google Map Pack and the results, we can see your business name, your address, and your phone number. And you're already ranked on here. And we use what we call White Spark, which is right here. And we see that your competitors have 67 citations and you only have 9 citations. And you can use White Spark if you want. It's $30 to $70 a month based on your plan and what you would like. But this is beatable. I want you to know that 9 and 67, you can beat them by a landslide. We can double that and make sure that we have 114 citations, and you know we're beating them out by a landslide. Citations are basically just directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, and so on. Even Facebook has citations. I know, right? And we can see that the competition citations are shown here, and they're laid out and they're all submitted. So if you click on their citations, you're going to see a whole bunch of .coms on here, probably some Yellow Books, Yelp, yep, Bing, all this, Zillow, Realtors.com, and you probably have some of these on yours as well. But we're seeing that you only have 9. You guys should have way more going back to you guys. Now the last thing that I would like to speak about is backlinks. Now, backlinks is another important aspect of Google. We call these things backlinks because they give your site authority. We can search for real estate agents in Reno, and we see that you do get a couple of volumes being brought up there. But if I research this and it's a backlink, I want to make sure that if I'm on, let's just say, realestateagentsreno.com, it's linking to you and not Pizza Hut linking to you because you don't sling pizzas for a living. This is where you want to be #1, having the most authority in Google's eyes. Almost like a popularity contest or an A+ student that's making sure that all the information is correct. Like we said, those keywords, those correct keywords. Now, over the 3 things that we went through, which is the content, having that front page, needing to have at least a couple minimum words and having those keywords, citations, making sure that you're beating out the competitors by a landslide here. That's 67 to 9. We can definitely double that, make it guys close to 200 even. And backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing back at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. Well, you can either take this information that I have, you can run with it and say, I got this, I can do it myself, which I would have no shame. I understand that fully. Or you can message me or give me a call and tell me, hey, Mary, I think I would like to go a more effective route and see what you can do for our company. If you'd like to do that, my number is 775-402-2885, and I look forward to hearing from you. And I hope you have a great one. Please don't hesitate to give me a call or even to email me back if you have any questions at all. Thank you so much, Cassie. I hope you have a great day.